Hey, I'm Lucia Rose, and please do keep watching to see how I've created this awesome season's glam. It is that time of the year. We've got Christmas parties, we've got gatherings, we've got meeting up with whoever wants to meet up. This is the time to really pull the stops out. Stay tuned to watch how I created this really cool look using my favourite product here from MUA. So here we have it, guys. This is my favourite look with all my favourite products at the moment from MUA. It was a hard one. There are so many beautiful products to choose from, but these are my go-tos. Obsession, you cannot go wrong with. You could do so much thing with that matte eyeshadow palette. The complexion, you know, mixing your base with your foundation, it just makes things quicker. It actually feels really nice when you do that as well. If you like watching these awesome videos, please do subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know what you like, what you're going to try, or what something I should try maybe next time. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. See ya.